Hi everyone, coming to you live to talk about cookware. Yes, Tupperware makes pots and pans. So I thought it was important to kind of talk about what's available, why they're so great, and yeah, just why they're pretty cool. So this here is, what's the size? 3.2 quart pan. So you'll notice first that Tupperware comes with a lid. And the great thing about the Tupperware lid is that good handle, and the handles are all hollow. So it's hollow here, and the handles both here and here are also hollow. And why do we care that it's hollow? When you have a pan on a stove with hollow handles, they don't get warm when the pan itself heats up. So when I'm cooking like so, I can then feel confident that none of these are going to get hot, and I can easily pick them up and lift them up. The second thing that's really neat about Tupperware cookware is the coating inside. So this is called Eterna coating, and what's unique about it is not only is it non-stick, but over time it gets harder as you use it more often. So as long as you are not abusing your pans, you'll continue to have a great non-stick surface. And when I say not abusing your pans, what does that mean? You always want to make sure that you're using a nylon tool when you're using your pans. You don't want to go in there with a knife or a fork and scratch up the bottom. The other unique thing about these pans, in addition to just how nice and how well made they are, is that they are both safe on top of the stove, and they're also safe in the oven. So I could start maybe some steaks on the stove, brown them up really nice, put a nice sear on them, and then take the pan and slide the pan into the oven. Obviously, when I pull the pan out of the oven, you want to use some oven mitts. That hollow handle isn't going to help you after it's been in the oven, so you can pull it out and you'll have a perfect meal. And what's even great is not only is the pan safe to go into the oven up to 450 degrees, but up to 350 degrees, you can put the cover on it and put that into the oven as well. So tonight we're going to make a cake. Yep, we're going to make a cake in our Tupperware pan. And we've already started it, and it's been going for about 20 minutes on the stove. So how do we make a cake? It's pretty straightforward, actually. So in the base, this is going to be a pineapple upside down cake. So in the base, we're going to have, I don't know why you turned the oven off. In the base, we're going to have butter at the bottom. And then on the butter, we're going to put brown sugar on top of that. And then we're going to layer pineapple on top of that. Then, using just a standard, everyday yellow cake mix, we're going to prepare this just like the box would tell you to prepare it. We have our pineapple, we have our brown sugar, and when we're done, we have this amazing, let me pull the lid off here, amazing looking cake. Look at that. That is perfect. It's been in there for about 22 minutes. So I'm going to try to flip this live and not burn myself at the same time. So we're going to see how well this works. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. And there's only one piece that kind of got stuck in the bottom. Oh, look at that. So let me just pull that out. So a couple of things to notice. First, incredibly clean, right? Second, you saw that it kind of just slipped right on out. And now we put this just on top of our cake taker, so I can just cut into this. Sarah's going to grab me a plate. And there we go. There is your pineapple upside down cake. 20 minutes on top of the stove. Absolutely amazing. This looks great, and I think I'm going to eat this before I have dinner. So, everyone have a great night. If you're interested in this recipe, or if you're watching this live on the replay, let us know. Give us some comments below, and we'll be able to talk about how great this cake is. Bye, everyone.